Welcome back, where there's a substantial recovery that we are seeing from the lows. The Midcap index is down 37 points and Bank Nifty, that is in the green right now, 36 points higher on that one. So that is leading the recovery that we are seeing. We'll have to see whether that sustains or not, because it's again the expiry day today. So last 1 hour of trading action will be very volatile. But that's the update as far as markets are concerned. But the other piece of news that we are tracking is Gujarat Gas hiking prices in their commercial segment by 1.5 rupees per SCM. And this comes at a time when globally gas prices, they have come down, spot LNG prices are lower. So has this been a surprise or a shocker for the industry? Let's get in Pradeep Kumar Patel, who's the Vice President at Morbi Ceramic Association, which are big users of natural gas as well for their production. Mr. Patel, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, was it a surprise that Gujarat Gas has gone ahead and hiked prices? What kind of conversations have you had with them? Will they be taking further price hikes now?
Yes, they have hiked the price by 1.5 rupees. We also not expected the price hike, as natural gas prices has come down globally. But as of now, the propane price has increased. So all the ceramic industry is diverted to natural gas. Maybe that's why they have hiked the price.
Oh, okay. So, sir, I was reading a report as of December that the gas utilization for the industry was down to just 2 MSCMD versus 7.5 a year ago. So where does it stand currently?
Currently, it is 3 MMSCM, and maybe it will go to again 7 to 7.5 as propane price has increased drastically. So maybe the Gujarat Gas original volume 7.5 MMSCMD is possible.
Okay, so you could probably revert to those peaks of 7.5 MMSCMD. Can you just give us a sense in terms of the propane mix right now? How much are you utilizing, and how much have prices gone up for you, say in the past 3 months?
In propane, currently in this month, propane is going to increase. The propane price is going to increase 15,000 rupees per metric ton. Okay. And natural gas is priced as about 47 rupees per SCM. So price difference between propane is costlier than natural gas, about 10 to 15%.
10 to 15% higher is the propane pricing right now. So, the last conversation that I had with you was when you said that around 80% of the industry had moved to propane. What is the mix currently, and is it easy to switch the energy source? Because it's been like, what, a year since you've been using propane, and are propane prices also expected to go higher?
Yes, currently 70% is using 70% industry is using propane, and 30% is using natural gas from Gujarat Gas. But from the 1st of March, the price of propane is going to increase about 15,000 rupees per metric ton. So all the industries will be switched to Gujarat Gas, because price is 10% cheaper, 10 to 15% cheaper than the propane price. So from the 1st of the March, whole industries is shifting to natural gas, and it is not cumbersome process to switch over to Gujarat Gas to propane, and propane to Gujarat Gas. It is a simple process, not a difficult.
Mr. Patel, just one follow-up on that. Have you had conversations with Gujarat Gas? Because the other dealers I spoke to said that since it was unexpected, did you speak to them whether there will be other price hikes as well that Gujarat Gas will take? Because in a long time they haven't.
Sorry, I don't understand your question.
Do you think Gujarat Gas, have you had conversations with them? Will they take further price hikes since there's still a differential of 10 to 15% versus propane?
No. Still we don't have any conversation, but we expect price to come down from Gujarat Gas in near future, because international price, spot price of LNG is coming down at very attractive level. So we are expecting a price cut from Gujarat Gas in near future.
Okay. How are y'all placed in terms of margins? Because on one end, you are looking to probably switch back to Gujarat Gas, but they are possibly looking to, they've already undertaken a price hike. Can you give us a sense in terms of whether the industry has had to undertake price hikes in the past 3 months odd? How much has it been to the tune of? And do you require further price hikes?
As of now, demand is not that much in our industries, in ceramic industries, so we can pass on the price to customers. But we will definitely in talk with Gujarat Gas to reduce the price, as they have the cheaper source of gas, maybe because internationally prices came down. So we don't need to as of now we don't need to pass on the price hike to our customers, because there is no supportive market.
Okay, just a quick question, sir. I just wanted to understand, as of June, I think 5% of manufacturers had shut their units. What is the statistic now? Is that the case? Because you have alluded to sluggish demand as well.
Yes, now industries is passing through a tough phase, because there are a difference between the large production and small production. So small productions cannot match the price of large production units. So small units have been shut down for some units have shut down for permanently, and some units have shut down for temporarily.
Okay. All right, Mr. Patel, thank you so much for joining us and making sense of what's happening on ground as far as the gas pricing, the sourcing mix and demand for you is concerned. With that, we'll slip into a break and get you more on the markets and stock-specific actions. So stay tuned for that.